Here's a tutorial on how to teach a bird to turn around. Good. Step 1. Lure the bird with a treat all around the perch. Step 2. Keep repeating that at least 10 times. Go faster and faster each time until they aren't actually following the treat. Faster, faster and faster. Once they are going fast and not following the treat exactly, slowly replace your hand instead of the treat. Like this fast, then replace the treat with hand. Reward your bird a lot after they do it correctly. Then you can start your cue like spin. You're done. Good. It might take a few minutes to days for a bird to learn this patience.